Hey, welcome to Jar Masala. Today I'm going to show you how to make our traditional black tea, chai, with milk. So I have some water here. I'm going to make 2 cups. And it's boiling, so I'm going to add the tea. And you can add the tea to your taste. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons for 2 cups. If you like the stronger taste, you can add more. Just let it cook for 30 seconds. And you will see the red color coming out, and then I'm going to add the sugar and the creamer. So now I'm going to add the white sugar. You can also do this with condensed milk. If you add condensed milk, then you don't need the sugar because the condensed milk is already sweet. But I'm going to add some sugar. Add the sugar to your taste. And then I'm actually using coffee creamer, like the powder coffee creamer. And you can use the liquid creamer, or you can just use regular milk. And I'm making milk chai, but if you want the red chai, you can just add honey to it. So our tea is done. Turn the stove off. It's going to strain it. That's our tea. Please do subscribe to my channel for more recipes using my masala kits. You can also find me in Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Jar Masala.